Okay. Let's first drop on some terrains. So do game object, 3D object, terrain. And over here, I want to create neighbor terrains. So click that, and then click each one of these options. Okay. Now I've downloaded some grass, a grass image and a sand image. So I went to just Google and found some images. Okay, so I'm gonna right click down here and I'm gonna say import new asset. Now I'm bring in the sand. You do the same thing if you had the grass. Okay, so now we'll go to my terrain here and click the paintbrush, paint terrain. In this edit terrain layer, say create layer. And I should see my sand there, and I can click my sand. And I'll click this one and click create layer again. Click sand. This one, same way. Create layer, sand. And click this one, create layer, and sand. And now if we run our game, then we see that we have some sand image that we can see.